This is Jamie with OSU Extension. Today we're going to go over some knife safety skills. Always wash your fruits and vegetables before cutting. I'm going to use a paring knife and take out the core of this tomato. So we're going to take the knife and just circle around the core and pop it out. If we're slicing a tomato, we want to make sure to keep our fingers back out of the way. Then we're just going to make long, thin slices. When dicing a tomato, we want to make sure we take out the core, just like we did before. Then we want to stand it up, and we want to make sure to cut the tomato in half so that we have a flat surface. Then I'm going to make sure to curl my fingers, keep them out of the way, and we're going to try to make about 1/4 inch slices. Then I want to make sure to line up the slices. Just take a couple slices, line them up, biggest on the bottom, and then we're just going to make about 3 more slices. Then we're going to turn it the other way and make little cubes. Have fun cooking, and thanks for watching.